Behind me is the Oyo State Judiciary High Court of Justice, and it is inside this premises where a special court session will be held in honor of former Governor of Ondo State, late Oluwarotimi Akeredolu. The premises of Oyo State Judiciary High Court witnessed an unusual influx of dignitaries within the legal profession across Nigeria. Their convergence is for a special valedictory court session in honor of former Governor of Ondo State, late Oluwarotimi Akeredolu, who served as the president of the Nigeria Bar Association from 2008 to 2010. Among the attendees are Chief Justice of Nigeria, Kayode Ariwoola, Ondo State Governor, Lucky Aiyedatiwa, serving and retired justices of Federal High Courts, Court of Appeal, State Judiciary, among others. The Chief Judge of Oyo State, Justice Iyabo Yerima, led 16 other justices of the State Judiciary to mark the commencement of proceedings. Justice Yerima's speech set the tone for the session with an address of welcome where she described late Akeredolu, a family who imparted a journey into the profession.
I wish I was seated with the family today because Aketi was family to me and I also mourn his demise. Governor Akeredolu meant different things to many people. To me, he was the patriarch of the Nigerian bar at the national level and especially here in Ibadan State. He was passionate about the bar and bench and loved the Ibadan bar dearly. He was someone I could speak with freely about matters concerning the bench, and he always gave good counsel.
Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Lateef Fagbemi extolled the departed legal icon for not allowing his partisanship posture to neutralize his voice on matters that involve the well-being of people.
We mourn a fighter, a fearless defender of truth and the masses. His death is a blow to the entire legal profession.
NBA President Yakubu Mikiao said Akeredolu was one of the most courageous presidents to ever lead the bar.
The news of the death of the revered past president of the NBA, despite his long battle with illness, came as a rude shock to me. As the dogged fighter that he was, he never betrayed any sign that he was battling any ailment. That though the ailment may be known as the cause of his death, but if the ailment were to speak, it would have testified that it afflicted the wrong person. What it went through in the hands of Aketi must have left it in no doubt that it did not defeat Aketi. That Aketi had to go because it was time he did so after fulfilling purpose.
Representative of the body of benchers, Late Arákùnrin and other legal luminaries recounted the various stands and impact of the departed governor.
Oyo State government and the Oyo State Ministry of Justice will extend our deepest sympathies to the Akeredolu family, to the people of Ondo State, and the entire Nigerian justice sector. Adieu, Arákùnrin Oluwarotimi Akeredolu, Ọmọ Ọlọ́wọ̀ Made. Nigeria, and particularly the Nigerian justice sector, will forever remember you. History will especially note your patriotism, your courage, and service to humanity, among other virtues.
In attendance at the court session was wife of the late former Governor of Ondo State, Betty Ayawa Akeredolu, daughter of the late Governor Ololade Akeredolu, who spoke on behalf of the family, appreciated the legal luminaries for their glowing tributes.
Indeed, the turnout today is further proof that our father was indeed a great man. He lived a fulfilled life and meant so much to different people. We are extremely grateful.
Drawing from the speech of the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Lateef Fagbemi, SAN, stop procrastination. Do that good deed now, as tomorrow may be late. Aketi used the short time he had to display selfless service. From Ibadan, Oyo State Capital, Zaheed Aribisala, OSRC News.